sound of life. Rag Tilang Cafe, the mood of acceptance. When I am in the mood of Rag Tilang Cafe, it is easy for me not to sink into my frustration. Instead, I face the situation with love and care and make the best out of it. Rag Tilang Cafe, the rag of acceptance, with us for the months of March and April.